So it turns out that Google Earth has a flight simulator, and it's not new either. But it is not available on the average Google Earth you can get on your phone. It's actually on Google Earth Pro, which may sound like it costs a lot, but it's completely free. It's only available on PC, Mac, or Linux, but those are common devices, so you should have no problem with that. To use the flight simulator, you can open up Google Earth Pro, go to Tools, and press Enter Flight Simulator. After that, you can choose between two planes and your starting location, which can be either your current view or one of the built-in airports. After that, you can wait for it to load. You can look up the keyboard controls online or use trial and error as I have. Now here's some footage of me flying a plane on Google Earth.